Nonprofit Metro Drug Coalition is the latest on a list of groups facing changes because of federal funding cuts. It's part of a broader reduction of funding impacting nonprofits across the country. And 10 News reporter Lauren Davis joins us to explain what's next for MDC. Lauren?
John, Metro Drug Coalition relies on grants of all types to help fund its programs and services. It lost 3 of those grants because of federal cuts. Now the nonprofit is figuring out how to make things work. Metro Drug Coalition gets most of its funding from grants.
Those are a variety of state, federal, and local grants.
And as of last week, 3 of those federal grants are gone.
The American Rescue Plan Act grants that were scheduled to continue through September, they were discontinued immediately.
Executive Director Webster Bailey says that money funded many things, like special projects and some staffing.
In terms of personnel, we're keeping on going forward. We are having to cut back on a couple of projects that were geared specifically towards prevention in schools.
It has even paused the Housing Recovery Fund for those who can't pay the fee to enter a safe space for recovery.
So we're no longer able to provide entry fees and deposits and the first week's rent for individuals seeking recovery housing.
But they're working through the issue.
We're meeting with our local representatives, our state representatives. The Tennessee Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services has expressed a desire to step in and pick up where some slack is.
As for what's next, Bailey says the organization is staying focused on its mission.
The work doesn't go away. The need certainly hasn't gone away. We've got a larger need, I think, than probably ever in our community and possibly in our country for substance use prevention, harm reduction services, and then also recovery support.
Webster Bailey says the staff members whose positions were funded by those grants will stay employed. He says they hope to figure out a long-term solution for funding. John?
Lauren Davis with the update. Thank you, Lauren.